Living through a cold and windy winter in a log cabin, with the constant tasks of melting snow for water and preparing meals, is more than just survival. It's a lifestyle that offers profound fulfillment. The challenges faced are not obstacles, but opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Each day spent in this environment reinforces the individual's connection to the land and to themselves, offering a unique perspective on life that is both humbling and enriching. In conclusion, surviving winter in a log cabin, where every meal is a hard-earned reward and every sip of water is a product of labor, is a mind-blowing experience.